Every great journey begins in the rich soil of our farms, where sun and dedication create the perfect chip. Welcome to the home of premium potatoes. Here, rich soil and morning sun create perfection.
High-speed steam peelers efficiently remove skins. Golden potatoes emerge onto stainless steel conveyors.
Washing away excess starch is vital. It prevents the potato slices from sticking together. This ensures a perfectly golden and
Maintaining oil quality is essential. It ensures consistency and trust. Precision testing guarantees perfect results.
Watch how these fresh chips receive their signature flavor, resulting in a perfect, delicious coat every time. Every single chip is inspected by AI. Air jets instantly remove any defects. From facility to freeway, across rail and land, reaching stores worldwide, bringing snacks to you. This is the story of simple ingredients, perfected for a taste you love.